is what does your cake actually do?
My cake.
Because, you know, Morden Ramsay's chicken over there is top of the line.
So
Morden
true,
Ramsay's
my
chicken?
Cutlets? Hell yeah.
They're top of the line, and it's become a
like-
favorite.
Like you say it as if
you
my
have to
chicken cutlet would not do
convince
the
me.
same thing.
Well, I don't know. You don't really seem to have any qualifications as a chef, you know.
What are you
True,
talking?
we're a therapist. I have degrees
How
in
many
both.
people have you saved with your therapy? Morden?
You don't have to give me anything. Remember kindness.
Oh.
Kindness is
Kill him
important
with
in this
kindness.
world.
Oh.
I do feel the shame,
kindness.
hot pink one.
What do you mean
Kindness is
shame?
important.
No, it's because I'm a goddess. I was just given an offering. I'm sure that's what it was.
I mean, not really. I'm just kind of trying to make friends, but you know, whatever
Oh.
you say, I guess. Whatever makes you happy.
Oh. She's literally a genie. She's a genie.
The peasants.
Oh.
Then Charlie took my box, and because I was connected, I am linked to the box. Would you like wishes? Name your wishes. What do you desire?
I wish to have $1 million.
I wish that I
Fix the
can
economy of your
fly.
country.
With your money.
Oh, well, you know, that's one of the... I can't just magic up riches. It has limited.
know.
What did you want?
I wish I can turn invisible.
You can already do that yourself. Did I hear you before that you wanted to fly?
I want to fly.
I can help you with that.
Really?
Oh, no. Oh, I'm flying!
I mean, of course
she's
she's
She's gonna die.
That's
How
true.
about my
Find
wish? What is your wish?
Can I have 999 potatoes?
999 potatoes. 909. Your wish is my command.
Get to
What are
it.
you gonna do? What are you gonna do with What is she gonna do with 999
I
potatoes?
don't know. My powers are limited. Find me my box and I will give you the $1 million and I'll give you the ability to fly.